Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best raccoons is probably one of the most adaptable and intriguing mammals in North America. With their distinctive facial markings and incredibly dexterous front paws, these masked bandits have captured the hearts and imaginations of many. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of raccoons, exploring their unique characteristics, behaviors, and why they're such a captivating subject of study. Number 5. CHALA Crossbody Purse, PU Leather Canvas Multicolor. Introducing the CHALA Crossbody Purse, a stylish and practical accessory. This purse is designed for women, combining fashion and functionality seamlessly. Crafted from high-quality PU leather and canvas, it offers durability and a unique aesthetic. The combination of materials ensures it's both long-lasting and visually appealing. Featuring a vibrant multicolor design, it adds a pop of personality to any outfit. The diverse color palette makes it easy to match with various styles. It comes with an adjustable strap, providing a comfortable fit for everyone. You can customize the length to wear it as a crossbody or shoulder bag. This purse is perfect for carrying your cell phone and other essentials. It's a great choice for daily use, keeping your belongings safe and organized. What we like? This crossbody purse is perfect for those who want to keep their essentials close. It features an adjustable strap for comfortable wear and comes in various colors to match your style. If you are looking for a convenient and fashionable way to carry your phone and other small items, you should consider this. What people say. It fits my iPhone 14 Pro Max. The bag is exactly as described. It fits a regular cell phone and probably more. The turtle is 3D, so that was a surprise. The colors are vibrant. It's not heavy, but it's high quality. Number 4. FWSXIVN Raccoon Unisex 3D Print Athletic Socks. These socks feature a fun and colorful 3D raccoon print. They are designed to stand out and add a touch of personality to any outfit. You'll love the unique design. Made for both comfort and performance, these socks are perfect for sports or everyday wear. They provide a snug fit and are designed to keep your feet feeling great all day long. You can wear it all day. These socks are designed to fit most adults, making them a great gift option. The unisex design ensures that anyone can enjoy the fun and style. It is a great choice. The socks are made with quality materials to ensure durability and long-lasting wear. The black and white color scheme is versatile and stylish, suitable for various occasions. It is a good choice. If you're looking for a fun and novelty item, these socks are an excellent choice. They're a great way to express your personality and add a touch of playfulness to your wardrobe. They are perfect for you. What we like? These socks feature a fun and unique 3D raccoon print, making them a great conversation starter. They are designed for comfort during athletic activities. If you like to add a touch of personality to your outfit, this is the perfect choice. What people say. While these socks are made from synthetic materials, the construction is from a silkier material, not your usual polyester-type construction. They went on easily, fit as they should, and did not cut off the circulation in my calves as some socks do. Overall, just a fun sock to wear, whether to work with your slacks or on the trail. Number 3. Hepandy Embroidered Raccoon Hats. Are you ready to meet your new favorite winter accessory? These hats are not only adorable but also incredibly warm and comfortable. They're perfect for keeping you cozy all season long. Each hat features a charming raccoon embroidery, adding a touch of fun to your winter wardrobe. The detailed design is eye-catching and sure to bring a smile to your face. It's a unique way to express your personality. Made with high-quality materials, this hat is designed to last. The soft, warm fabric will keep you comfortable in even the coldest weather. You'll love the way it feels against your skin. These hats are a great choice for anyone who loves to stay warm and stylish. Whether you're young or young at heart, it's a fun and practical accessory. It's a great gift idea too. Don't miss out on the chance to own this adorable and cozy hat. It's the perfect addition to your winter collection. Get yours today and stay warm in style. What we like? This hat features a charming embroidered raccoon design, perfect for adding a touch of fun to your winter wardrobe. It's designed to keep you warm and comfortable during the colder months. If you are looking for a cozy and stylish way to stay warm, you should consider this. What people say. The product is well designed and functions as advertised. The features are easy to use and provide a great user experience. The product is durable and of high quality. Number 2. Aurora Ripley Raccoon Stuffed Animal, 5 inches. Meet Ripley, the adorable raccoon plush. This cute companion is ready to bring joy to anyone. This plush is approximately 4 by 5.5 by 6 inches, making it the perfect size to take anywhere. It's designed for fun on the go. Made from the highest quality materials, it ensures the fun never ends. This plush is built to last. Ripley is designed to perfectly balance on its behind. With its paws on its tummy and feet in the sky, it's ready to roll around with you. To ensure stability and quality, it contains bean pellets suitable for all ages. This feature adds to its charm and durability. What we like? This adorable raccoon plush is made from high-quality materials, ensuring it will last. It's designed to roll around, providing endless fun. If you have kids or simply love cute plushies, this is the perfect companion. What people say? Cutest plushie I've ever bought. It's a perfect size, and it's so cute. Came in the package nice and fluffy. This is the perfect budget-friendly and soft gift for any age. The quality is perfect and is super soft to the touch. It's on the smaller side, but it fits perfectly in your hands. Fell in love with him as soon as he got out of the package. He's soft, small, and adorable. Number 1. Alien UFO Funny Raccoon T-shirt. Have you ever seen a raccoon in a UFO? Well, now you have. This shirt is a fun and quirky way to show off your unique personality. This t-shirt features a hilarious design of a raccoon encountering a UFO. It's perfect for anyone who loves animals, space, or just a good laugh. Get yours today. Made from soft, comfortable material, it's perfect for everyday wear. The design is printed with high-quality inks, ensuring it will last. This shirt is sure to be a conversation starter. Looking for a gift that's out of the ordinary? This t-shirt is a great choice. It's a fun and memorable present for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. They will love it. Don't miss out on this awesome t-shirt. It's a fun and stylish way to express yourself. Grab it now and let the world know you're ready for adventure. What we like? This t-shirt features a funny and eye-catching alien UFO design. It's made from comfortable materials, perfect for everyday wear. If you like to show off your sense of humor and love unique designs, you should consider this. What people say? The graphic didn't get messed up in the washer-dryer. I get lots of people commenting on how much they like the shirt. Especially the raccoon. Graphic holds up after washing drying. Fits and looks great and it's comfortable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.